Alright guys, you guys want to know what I do after I publish a post on my website. After I publish a post on pages on my website, I'm going to show you what I do. These are my routines every time I publish a post or pages on my website. So the first thing I'm going to do when I publish a post or pages on my website is to grab the URL. So I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. So let's go to one of my websites then. So the first thing I do after publishing a post or pages on my website is to grab the URL right there. So I grab the URL here and I want to go over to, I copy the URL here. I right click on my mouse and I copy the URL here. Then I want to go over to my Google Search Console and I want to drop the URL there. So here on this box here, you want to choose your website. You want to choose the website that you want to drop the URL. So this is my website in here. So here at the top here, you want to drop the URL there. So when you drop the URL here, on the top bar on URL here. So you want to click enter. So it's gonna check the URL and index it. So as you can see, the URL has been indexed. So if you want to text it out, you can text it out. If you want to request again, you want to request index, you can just click down here. Go to edit it, so and it's going to index it. So if you want to test it out, you can just click on test there and go to test it. It's going to test if the and it's going to text if the URL is live right there. So the second thing I do after I publish a post or pages on my website is to share it on all my social media accounts. So if you want to go to your social media account and share it, if you're having the plugin on your website, you can just click on your social media account and choose the one that you want to share the post. So you want to share the post, you can just click it here and share it on Twitter, on Reddit. You can share it on LinkedIn, Pinterest, MeWe, and so on and so forth. So if you're having the plugin here, you can share it from here. So another thing you can do is to go to your social media accounts one by one and share it there if you don't have the plugin in there. So let's say I want to share it on my Facebook. So I can just go from here and I will choose my page there and publish it. And that is it. Then another thing I do is to share it on my mailbox. So I go to my mail area and I share the post to my mail. So the post is gonna automatically share because I've already set things up. So when I post this post right now, it's gonna share. It's gonna automatically go to all my followers on my email box. So that's the third one. So the third thing that I do is to mail it to my mailbox. So I just go to my mailing box and I mail it to all my followers there. So that's all I do. So that is it, guys. That's the three things that I do after I publish a post or pages on my website. The first thing I do is to go to GSC, go to Google Search Console, and drop the URL there. So to inform Google that I've published a new post to my website. The second one is to share it on my social platforms. So I share it to all my followers there. And the third one is to share it on my mailing list. So I share it to all my mailing lists. So there you get it, guys. That's my routine after I publish a post. Every time I publish a post. So guys, may I know your own routine after you publish a post or pages on your website? Please let me know down below. If you have any question, have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.